Are you looking for a spicy dry chicken preparation with right amount of exotic spices? Then this recipe, which is cooked without any water, is the one for you. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita, and we are making Masaledar Chicken Bhuna. To start, we will make a quick blend of spices. For this, in a pan, take a few dry red chilies, kebab chini, coriander seeds, whole black pepper, radhuni, green cardamom, mace, and a small piece of nutmeg. Dry roast these spices over a low flame to activate their oils and make them bolder and fragrant. Then cool completely and blend them into a fine powder. Next, we will make a quick marination. Take washed and cleaned chicken that are cut into medium-sized pieces. Add ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili powder for the color. Then add fried onion or barista, which will form the base of the gravy, and some refined oil in which we had fried the onions. Then combine and massage the flavors into the chicken. Note, we have not added any salt at this stage to prevent the chicken from releasing its water, which will hinder the marination from thoroughly coating it. Cover and marinate for minimum of 30 minutes. Next, to make the bhuna, in a kadhai, we have taken some refined oil in which we had fried our onions. Temper the oil by adding bay leaves, dry red chili, and some sugar. Do not worry, the sugar will not make the dish sweet, but give it some color through caramelization. When the sugar has melted like this, add in the sliced onions. Fry the onions till they turn translucent. Do not wait for the onions to turn brown, as the gravy will cook over time and turn bitter. Add a few cloves of garlic to give more depth of flavor to the gravy. Then add in the marinated chicken pieces, the Bhuna Masala we had made earlier, and some chopped tomatoes. Now, over a high flame, fry the chicken so all these delicious flavors can get infused. Once the chicken starts to release its juices, simmer and cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the chicken and the tomatoes have released their water. Stir and add salt as per your preference. The salt will help further melt the tomato and give the gravy its mouth-watering flavor. Then on medium heat, cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Once we remove the lid, you can see the chicken has started to fall off the bone and the gravy has released its oil. As we want a drier gravy, on simmer, slowly cook off the excess water until it starts to look like this. Then finish with some sliced green chilies for the heat lovers in your family. Your chicken masala bhuna is ready. Serve it hot, preferably with some hot luchi, or you can enjoy with rotis or steamed rice. If you love this video, please give it a like and share. And until next time, happy cooking!